Hope nothing happens to the car.
Relax, little brother. We're gonna be all right.
Did you call Dunn's wife?
Haven't gotten around to that yet, Pat. What am I supposed to say? It's not like he died a peaceful death, and I'm not gonna lie about it.
Irish!
Come on, Sensifino.
Sorry, miss. I swear this shit is all fucked up. Cops all jittery. We're just gonna drive through the shitstorm and pick up the prize, right?
Waltz through the raindrops. Right, Recker?
She'll go for a cup of coffee right now.
Hey, mobilize infantry on the scene.
Roger that. I think these motherfuckers are eyeballing me.
Just act natural.
Natural? You hear that shit, Reck? The fuck I look Chinese to you, Pac?
Anybody got a visual on the building?
We're not going anywhere unless you get me a way out of this.
Okay, make a left. A left here.
Coming through! I think we're okay.
I got a visual on the building. What floor are we going to? And how many VIPs did Garrison say? 3 with Kovic?
Kovic and 2 locals.
Hey, easy, calm down. We gotta make a left. The building's to the left.
Shit, we're stuck. We gotta leave the van, guys. Continue on foot.
Copy. Come on, Recker.
It's locked. Pat.
Hey, let me see. Gentlemen, come on in. What are we gonna do? Running in on foot is one thing. Getting out with VIPs is another.
Relax, Pac. We'll get them to the balcony. Leave it to me. Up there. We can get a bird's eye of what's ahead.
That helo does not bode well. Shit, what the heck? We've seen nothing about Chinese spec ops. We should get over there. Down and close.
Let's keep this nice and quiet. The spooks business that we have this other stuff. We gotta let Valkyrie know.
Fortress Tombstone 4. Message over. Sit rep as follows. Large buildup of Chinese military around target point. Looks like spec ops. Numbers unknown at this time, over. Solid copy. 4 active. Lobby looks clear. Here's the elevator.
Recker, press the elevator.
Come on, Recker. Let's see what we got. Ready up.
The fuck is this? Cocktail guns? Get us to the hotel.
Yeah, I don't see it. VIPs are on the top floor, so Sky Bar, Sky Bridge. That sounds about right.
Sky Bar was on the fucking roof.
You really need to call Dunn's wife.
Yeah, I know. It's just... Close the fucking door! invaded fucking China.
We ain't using that route out.
Any alternatives?
No. Stay alert, stay alive.
Let's get these fucking
We're good.
VIPs.
Irish, Reck, look at this. What are they expecting? Did you hear that? Contact the stairs. Go, go, go!
Recker, you got it?
Running out.
Contact, right!
Is that all of them?
Yeah, I think so.
Come on. Up to the VIP lounge. Ah, darn it. Security gate.
Back.
Give me a second. Oh, crap. Not good.
Going for the roof. Watch the windows and get ready. You got any of them claymores, Reck? Get into position. Incoming on the balcony.
Come on, Recker. We're clear to go. Whew, piece of cake. Should be a staircase right here.
Got it.
Everyone okay? Good wreck. Floor 41. Ready? Go, go.
This is our floor. All clear.
We're close.
VIP?
38. Oh no. That's our room.
Jesus Christ.
Holy cow. Nobody's alive in there.
You boys are late.
Takes time to shoot your way through a search party making their way up the building.
What do you think I moved rooms?
If you can move, Kovic, what the hell you need us for?
Crossing the hall's a bit easier than crossing the street. Get in here.
Come on, Recker.
Where's the van?
Man, we can't take the street. Chinese military is swarming.
Oh, that's just fucking great.
Who are these VIPs?
They're very important people. Significant woman and her husband. We're getting them out in one piece. That's all you need to know.
I'm Hannah. This is my husband. Thank you for coming.
Excuse me, sir. Pardon me, ma'am. Do you speak English? Are you all right? Are you mobile?
老公，你别说话，你别动，你需要好好地休息。My husband is injured. He needs rest.
Negative, no time for rest. I spy the choppers on the roof. We have to move now.
And we go up.
What?
You can take it, I can fly it. Like it or not, that's the plan. Unless you got an option, Sergeant.
What, are we stealing choppers now?
Are you done? My husband needs treatment.
All this violence. Where does it lead to, Sergeant? This is not what...
Thank you for coming, Sergeant. I'm so grateful you are here.
Let's go. Now. Move. Move!
Go,
Ready.
go.
Heads down. Stay close.
Let's go, Recker. If this doesn't work, we're fucked.
No choice now.
You clear the way.
Sir, ma'am, wait here.
Yeah, all right, we go up.
Sergeant Recker, secure that helicopter.
Careful, Reck. Fortress Tombstone 4. Roger. VIPs are inbound in a seized enemy helo. One of them in need of immediate medical attention. We are still in the tower, sir. Looking for an alternate exit. Over.
Hey. You ever get claustrophobic in these things?
Man, pack is not the elevators that bother me. It's the height thing. I can't take it. Are you fucking kidding me?
What? I love this song. It's a good freaking song. So far, so good. I'll take point.
Let's go, Recker.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Fortress Tombstone 4. Say again your last.
Say again. Do not hold current position. Exfil not possible. You have 30 minutes to get back to the ship. Fortress out.
Chop up the plaza.
Quickest way is east. Down the main street.
Okay, Recker.
作，好的，接下来怎么办？
Fuck it, we need to push on!
Break contact! We gotta move!
Shit. This ain't it.
No, go back.
再进入掩体。
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, okay. Keep moving.
Are we through?
I think so.
Don't see it coming after us. Recker, through here.
Almost at the river, right?
It's a war zone.
What the fuck's going on down there? Come on.
It's turning into a civil war. Man, this place is out of control.
You preaching to the choir.
Thank you. Yes, please help us. We need your help to get to the river.
他们是自己人，我们留在这观察情况。
Americans, good. Can use your help. Get in here.
Eyes open, Recker.
Relax, Pack. These are hardly bad guys. How are you? Nihoma?
你是谁？
It's okay.
女儿，离开窗户旁边 ，Stay away from the window，太危险了。We're trying to get to the river. Chang's forces have tanks. No one gets in or out of the city.
We're headed to the river.
Any anti-tank rockets around?
There's one.
People are fighting back, but Chang's forces are too strong. We're trapped. We could use your help.
Stay here, protect your kid. Come on, Recker, let's move. See the tank wreck? We need explosives to punch through its armor. Rick, bring up the binders. Scan the area for anything we can use.
How we doing on time?
Not good, I think.
We take it out and secure a river transport out the city.
That patrolling armor is in our way.
Let's take a look at this from above.
What about that building? See if there's anything useful in there, Rick. We need firepower!
Okay!
have to beat feet now. The harbor's just up there. Come on, we need to hail a boat. Hey! We've got civilians here! Please!
What's he saying?
I think they'll help us.
Recker, you first. Pack, you okay?
Yep, good. Fortress, this is Tombstone 4. We are pulling out in a civilian boat over.
This is Fortress. All right, make it fast.
This rusty old tin can is hardly a speed demon. Over.
Are you taking fire, Tombstone? Say again. Tombstone, are you taking fire? Give me a sit rep.
Iris? Someone tell me what just happened?
Must have been an EMP blast. Don't worry. They killed electronics, not people. We have to get them out of here to safety.
Fortress, this is Tombstone. Come. Shit. It's dead.
Look at these boats. All these people, man, they're sitting ducks. Follow us! Follow us, we'll get you to safety!
Irish, what are you doing?
We can't just leave them here back. Follow us, we'll get you to the USS Valkyrie!
You in your mind, Irish?
I'm in my right mind back. Follow us! Follow us now, we'll get you to safety! Come on!
Fortress, this is Tombstone. Come in, over. Fortress, this is Tombstone. Come in.